So I just finished sketching on top of a jewelry box that Adam's mom has stained for Rory for her birthday tomorrow. And I can't figure out how to open it to show you guys the inside. It's really pretty. Why can't I open this? Hang on. It ended up being much easier than I made it. Okay. So, hi. You can see it has these little removable. Now that Rory has her ears pierced, she got her ears pierced in March or February. She has a place to put all her earrings. So I did a ladybug. You can't really see it, but you'll see it when I'm done. And then there's daisies, some like baby's breath or Queen Anne's lace or something, and leaves. And Adam's mom requested that I do something that Rory would always like. I'm sure as a teenager she's not going to like this, but maybe if she doesn't do what I did when I was a teenager and paint over everything, maybe she'll like it again once she's older, because to be honest, like, I don't think teenagers are probably into ladybugs, but I wasn't, and now I like insects again, so I don't know. I know she loves ladybugs right now. She loves ladybugs, and she loves the superheroes, she loves the bug, so, and her dress for the dinner Saturday that we're going with my mom for her birthday is a ladybug dress. It's a red frock with black polka dots and a black sweater. So I'll try to take some birthday footage. It will depend on how crazy things get. We're trying to do low-key this year, but it still will probably be a little crazy. Isn't it pretty?
I love it.
I am so
You should tell Roro that Aunt Riz had.
Thank you, Becca. I love it. I am running around like a crazy person today because tonight we're doing Rory's sort of birthday party, and it's not really a party, we're just having dinner. Adam's parents live here in town, so they're gonna come over, and my sister who is making the cake. But I'm about to go over to her house. She lives about 10 minutes away, to help with her baby, so that she can decorate the cake and cookies. And we're gonna get Mexican food, and I'm starving to death. So and I have been working most of the morning on Henry and on orders, so I just finished those, and I'm in a stopping place to be able to go help her. So, and then I have to come back, go to the flower shop, decorate the house, get pizza, clean up, something else. I can't remember what else. I'll remember at some point.
I'm very excited.
Thank you. I love you, Grandma. Thank you.
What do you want next?
Whoa, what is this?
To hold your Switch.
Thank you.
This one? Yeah. You'll like it. I know what it is already.
What is it? Henry! It's Henry!
Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
Yes.
Yeah, he's all
They were
done.
wide.
Here, cookie.
But I love them.
Paper.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like
What's
this.
next? I think it's another record. I don't know.
Moana record.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the last one then. Okay.
You probably won't know the name of it, but it was that Slothy recommended it.
Let me guess. Nintendo Switch game. That's my guess.
It is.
What is it?
Untitled Goose.
Oh, I seen that Taco Game Time play.
Yeah.
It's where you're mean to a lot
I
of people.
never played.
Yeah.
I never played this before.
No, you
I can
haven't.
help.
I know what it
It's
is. Stacy.
the background.
Yay.
Since still in one piece.
Yay.
I think we need scissors. Yeah, we need scissors for this.
Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rory. Happy birthday to you. Good job. Oh, baby. Your princess. Yeah, princess.
Be ready, man.
You like Henry?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many critters you have?
5.
5 critters.
His nose is hard.
Uh-huh.
Why do you make his nose hard?
How
It's
much
just
did you
how the stitches work.